Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your school computer. We know school networks can be tricky, but there's a clever way to enjoy your favorite block building game without installing anything. This method focuses on using web-based platforms that bypass common restrictions, letting you dive into creative worlds or survival challenges right from your browser. It's a simple and effective approach for when you need a quick gaming break, offering a fun experience in just a few clicks. To get started, simply open your web browser and search for terms like Minecraft Classic or Unblocked Minecraft. You'll find several websites that host free, browser-playable versions of the game. These online platforms often replicate the original game's core mechanics, allowing you to build, explore, and create. Always make sure the website you choose is reputable and safe to use. This approach lets you enjoy the game without needing any special permissions or downloads, making it super convenient. You might encounter some obstacles, as school networks can sometimes block gaming websites entirely. If your initial search doesn't work, try different search terms or explore alternative unblocked game sites. In some cases, using a virtual private network, if permitted by your school, might help bypass restrictions. Also, remember that performance can vary. A slower internet connection at school might mean a slightly less smooth experience, but it should still be perfectly playable for many. For the best experience, try to play during designated free time, such as lunch breaks or study hall periods. Keeping the volume low or using headphones can help you avoid distracting others. Also, closing any unnecessary browser tabs will help improve your game's performance, especially on older computers. Remember, while it's fun to play, always prioritize your schoolwork and academic responsibilities. Enjoy building your worlds responsibly, and have a fantastic time exploring the blocky universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.